I have included separate templates for 2018, 2019, 2020, or above versions. I have also included all fonts required for these templates. Let me show you how to edit these templates. Open Premiere Pro. Create new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import templates. Import all templates on by one. Place any template on the timeline. These templates have unique features. You can add smaller or bigger text according to your need. These templates have in and out both animations. Here, if you have bigger text, you can adjust the rectangle accordingly. I am adding a bigger text here. Let's add also subtext here. You can adjust the rectangle and line accordingly. Here you can change text and rectangle color. Let's place another template on the timeline. Let's add a bigger text. Scale line here accordingly. Here you can scale text and change its position. That's it. Thanks for watching.